But this happened when I gave birth to my daughter. She decided to present shoulder first, and no amount of effort from the staff could rotate her. The doctor eventually reached in to manually turn the baby. As he moved her, I screamed in pain. The staff tried to calm me, and even the doctor remarked, "This shouldn't hurt." After the baby was delivered, the doctor discovered why I had been in so much pain. Clutched in her tiny hands were 2 handfuls of uterine lining that she had ripped out while being turned. The doctor had to go back in, figuratively speaking, to stitch up the damage and control the bleeding. It took a lot of stitches, but everyone was healthy in the end, and I got an extra day in the hospital, which was great. 4. A young woman came into the ER in late labor. She had had no prenatal care and gave birth in her boyfriend's car on the way to the hospital. She had also suffered a seizure, as her undiagnosed eclampsia caused her blood pressure to skyrocket. The